Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth keep disconnecting in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go open control center, so swipe down and turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. Turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on. So after turn off, turn on Bluetooth mode, you will check your Bluetooth is working. So if it not working, so turn on aeroplane mode 1 to 3 times. Turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. So after turn on, turn off airplane mode, you will check your Bluetooth keep not disconnecting. So if it's still disconnecting, so click the power, so restart phone, click the power button and volume down button at the time and restart phone. So after restarting, enter phone passcode. You will check your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so again open control center and Bluetooth mode. So disconnect and again connect your device. After connecting, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth keep disconnecting in iOS 26. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.